I'm Manjunath, Assistant PF Commissioner from Regional Office, EPFO Koramangala. So today it was a very good session at Alliance University. A joint awareness campaign was organized by the university along with DIC, Sri Sunil Kumar, Joint Director, and myself. We conducted the awareness program, and it was specifically meant for MSME sector, where more than 100 MSME representatives participated in the seminar. And I have briefed them about the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana, the Employees Enrollment Campaign 2025, and the ease of submission of Jeevan Praman for pensioners. So it was a very interactive session, and I humbly thank all the participants and even the host, the Alliance University representatives who are responsible for conducting such a good awareness camp. It was educative, and I also learned that MSME sector is ready to participate with the policies of the government. Only thing is that we need to create more and more awareness amongst them. And thank you all.